So hello guys, I'm doing some updates here about the program. So right now this is our model here in SolidWorks, and as you can see it's incomplete. We did kind of like a prototype to kind of test our ideas, and we found out that we just can't print out this this gear here, this part of the system. So we turned to the online retail shops, and we found several pieces like this. These parts, we will use these parts to connect the gear here, the engine part, and the motor part here, and also the wing part, the flapping mechanism here. We will replace these parts, with the whole connecting system mechanism, or whatever you call it. And as you can see, we did two types of tracks to kind of choose and test. But for now, we're just going to stick to this because this is much more simpler than this. As you can see, we could kind of so basically they operate the same based on similar principles, but this one is much more so-called advanced. But right now we can't print out this part right now, this component. So we're going to stick to the easier one, and test it out as soon as we combine the rest parts, and test it out whether it's practical. And so the second change here is that we're going to change these gear parts, the whole motor system, into the motor we used, or at least we wanted to use previously. The operating speed, or the turning speed, was way too fast for the wings to bear. Therefore we turned to choose these, how do you call it, like some sort of a alternative, and it also turns, but at a way smaller speed. As you can see, there are some gear combinations here, right? So it kind of decelerates it. And so we're going to kind of modify this part here, the skull, or the structure that holds the parts, by, like, it's here. We've printed it out, and we're trying to modify it by cutting holes here, cutting like two rectangular holes, and increasing the width. And then we would insert this alternative motor inside the rectangular holes, and we would place one here, and one here, which in total basically it's four of them, which corresponds to four of these axes that would transmit our energy to the wing. And here's the bless me, here's the track. Here's some more, and it's basically like this. Like these two are the motors, which is the blue thing, this thing, and we would like kind of cut two holes here, and we would like place it in and use some other components to kind of fix it on, to the whole structure.